Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's edition of Ian Explains. Now Ian Explains is a segment we put on where an EN engineering expert helps dissect a specific engineering topic and make it easier to understand. This week we have with us Scott Bowles. Now Scott Bowles is Principal Engineer at Spectrum Engineering Corporation. Spectrum Engineering Corporation was recently acquired by EN Engineering. And this week we'll be talking through exactly what Spectrum does, the services it provides, and how that incorporates into EN Engineering. So Scott, how are you today?
I'm doing well, Don. Delighted to be here, and on behalf of all of Team Spectrum, we're really excited to be part of EN.
So Scott, I guess we'll start out with the first question being, what does Spectrum do and how did it start?
Sure. Spectrum is 30 engineers and technicians that are highly motivated, bright folks with a servant's heart, who are really just focused on providing benefits to our customers. And I would say that our mission in life really is to improve quality of life through enhancements in infrastructure. So Spectrum was formed in 1979, in the summer of '79 by my father. And our mission at that point in time was really to provide a wide range of professional engineering services for small utilities that couldn't afford their full-time staff.
Well, thanks for that, Scott. So what are some of the services that Spectrum provides today?
Sure. Presently we're arranged in what I would call 3 Tiger teams. So the first Tiger team is dedicated mostly to the larger customers, electric utilities. And they provide a fairly broad range of distribution engineering services. So we're responsible for everything from the easement acquisition to the permitting to the initial engineering planning design, as well as the actual design itself. And then we provide also the staking services. And so it's important because we're the first face the customer sees. We also have a strong interest in protecting the brand and actually enhancing the brand of the customer. We have a professional engineering consulting group, and they do a lot of work in relay protection and control, and system integration, substation design. Mostly we work in the 138 kV and below, down to about 4 kV. And we work for universities, municipals, rural electric co-ops, sometimes large utilities, and sometimes large corporations. The third Tiger team that we have really provides fiber optic based telecommunication systems where we design infrastructure for cities and countries. And that infrastructure today is known as fiber to the home, and is capable of carrying, Don, 10,000 megabits per second download speed as well as upload speed. Wow. So it's plenty.
So Scott, what makes EN such a good fit for Spectrum?
Well, I think our cultures both closely align. We both are interested in people who are passionate for their work and that they have servants' hearts and they have a strong desire to please the customer. And that's really, and a passion for learning, and those things are really important to us.
So what can we expect from Spectrum moving forward?
That's a great question, Don. I think that Spectrum will bring more of the same services that we are already doing, those services that made Ian interested in us in the first place. We believe our future is bright.
So Scott, thanks again for being here today and helping us understand more of what Spectrum does, who you are, and kind of what makes you guys tick. So I just want to welcome you to the EN Engineering family. We really look forward to working together and to accomplishing great things together. For those of you watching online, please feel free to like or comment on this specific video and be entered into a contest to win a gift card. So Scott, thanks again for being here and stay safe.
You bet. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody.